Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about color cytology. First of all, what is color cytology? The mental disorder of each color? I'm not sure how people can diagnose that, so no. That's not the answer. Color cytology mainly discusses the mental and emotional effects of colors. Before talking about all the theories and stuff, let me break down how color works. Have you ever wondered why a tomato is red instead of blue? What happens is that tomato reflects red light, so it appears red. Another important point to know about color is the color wheel. There are three main components of the color wheel: primary color, secondary color, and tertiary color. Primary colors are colors that can't be made, such as red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors are colors formed by primary colors, for example, orange, green, and violet. Tertiary colors are colors mixed by primary colors and secondary colors, and I'm not going to waste time naming all of them. Now that we know how color works, let's talk about the theories of color cytology. The two biggest theories of color cytology are color and context by Elliott and Mayer, and conceptual metaphor theory of color by Meir and Robinson. Color and context emphasizes physical and psychological context in which color is perceived and is thought to influence its meaning and responses. Well, that was kind of hard to understand, so here's an example. If you see a blue ribbon, there's nothing wrong with it. But what if it's blue meat? Yuck. Something is definitely wrong with it. As for conceptual metaphor theory, it talks about how people use metaphors of color to navigate the social world. For example, red is often associated with anger. Black is associated with bad things, and white is often associated with good things. Now, let's draw our attention back to the color wheel we talked about previously. There are warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors include red, orange, and yellow. Warm colors often simulate more aggressive emotions such as anger. This is because warm colors reflect more light, therefore excessively stimulating the eyes and leading to irritation. On the other hand, cool colors, green, blue, and violet, are often associated with calmness and sadness, and this has to do with the biological effect of color on the human body. For example, the eye focuses green directly on the retina, so it is less strainful for eye muscles. Blue, on the other hand, decreases respiration and lowers blood pressure. Wow, that was a lot of information to process. Let's apply these concepts on real-life examples. Take eating as an example. Colors of our food, in fact, affect our appetite a lot more than people think. First of all, red. Although often associated with warning and danger, red is in fact an appetite-stimulating color. Red activates your appetite so much that it's often used in restaurant logos, on menus, and on tablecloths and napkins. Yellow. Yellow is also an appetite-stimulating color, because yellow is associated with happiness. Your brain actually generates more serotonin when you see yellow. This is why you often see restaurants having yellow flowers on their tables, because yellow makes you feel optimistic, and the more optimistic you feel, the more likely you will enjoy your meal. Similarly to yellow, foods that are orange often give feelings of warmth and comfort. Green. People tend to think that all green foods are healthy, regardless of if the food itself really is nutritious or not. This is in fact pre-wired into our genes, because back when our ancestors were finding food in the nature, green foods were often viewed as being safe and weren't likely to be poisonous or lethal. Blue and purple. Blue and purple suppress your appetite because there aren't too many naturally occurring blue or purple foods other than blueberries and eggplant. This is also affected by our ancestors' experiences. When our ancestors were looking for food, blue, black, and purple often signaled that something was poisonous, so we learned to avoid food in these colors. Colors influence and affect our life more than people think. I hope that all this information didn't blow you away.